Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 6 Series, I'm talking about E63 E64 generation, guys, and you have a code P0443 or code P0444 and you're trying to find out if your purge valve is good or bad, guys, because this relates to a bad purge valve, stay with us, guys, and we'll explain how you can test your purge canister solenoid valve, guys, and you can find out if it's good or bad. Now, that same one has been used in multiple BMWs, especially, you know, some of them use exactly the same engine. For instance, in that 3 Series, it's the same one, but some of you guys ask me how we can test it on a 6 Series. So we'll show you guys how to do it. It's exactly the same procedure. Quick introduction to the channel, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos. Specifically on BMW, guys, every BMW we get at the shop, we make, guys, at least 400 to 500 videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. If you need to buy a new purge valve for your 6 Series, BMW, or any tools or parts, check out the link in the description of the video below. All that will be shared there for your convenience, guys. So we have a 6-cylinder engine here, but even if you have a different engine on your 6 Series, even the V8 will be the same way as well, guys, and we will show you guys, okay, what needs to be done. Let's explain what the purge valve does, so you know, guys, how it functions. You know, gasoline engine vehicle, guys, when you put gasoline in the fuel tank, it expands, it creates vapors, fumes, and these fumes, guys, create pressure. There is a sensor in the fuel tank that detects, okay, when you have enough pressure, and it sends a signal to that valve to open, and it's actually taking that fuel fumes, vapors from the fuel tank, from that hose coming here, and as you can see, the arrow takes them to this hose and injects them in the intake manifold. That way, okay, the vapors will be injected in the engine, the car will be more efficient, you will not waste fuel, and you will not pollute and kill the atmosphere, guys. So that's what it does. But this valve can actually mess up in 2 different positions, so make sure we'll explain about that. And even though the valve may pass the test, stay with us and we'll explain what else you need to look for, guys. So now the valve, guys, on the back side, it has 2 wires. Okay, one is positive, one is negative. It doesn't matter, guys, which one you install on which side, as long as you do not touch both of them together, because then you will automatically burn that valve. So there is a chance to burn it while testing it, guys. What we use, alligator clips, usually 2 people, so we can actually, guys, okay, we can actually minimize the possibility for us to accidentally touch both of the wires. So we connect one on the left side, one on the right side. Now that valve should be closed, guys, should be closed all the time. You need to apply 12-volt electricity, what I would recommend, car battery. However, we have a 12-volt outlet here on the car. Okay, you have the jumper terminal, and when you apply 12-volt, the valve will open and you will hear a click. So listen for it now. Now that doesn't mean anything, guys. We'll get low pressure air now from the air compressor. Okay, let's apply a little bit of air. The valve is closed. Listen now. Valve is closed. Listen what's happening when it opens. And if I try, okay, now the valve is closed. Now it's open. Closed, open, closed, open. You can see air starts coming out. So now, guys, this is a good valve. So just clicking doesn't mean that it's working, guys. You have to check the airflow as well. Another thing now, guys, okay, make sure that the O-rings, okay, is not broken, it's not wore out, not cracked or anything right here. Make sure that the hose is not cracked as well, because if it's cracked, you may get vacuum leak codes that are super hard to diagnose on your 6 Series BMW. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.